Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now Halloween is coming up in a few days, and usually we're preparing our costumes, setting up decorations, and munching on candy. But I wonder, what could be a great book to read for the Halloween season? There are some very scary books to read, but for this video, I'll be showing you this. Five Nights at Freddy's, the Silver Eyes novel, one of my favorite novels of all time. If you like robots and also love some delicious pizza, this novel might pique your interest. From creepy animatronic mascots to serial killers and some haunted verses. Before I start the review, this video contains no spoilers and to just give some insights on what you should know about the novel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. Insight on what this book tells us. It's a story that takes place 10 years after the horrific murders at Freddy Fazbear's Pizza that ripped their town apart. Charlie, whose father owned the restaurant, and her childhood friends reunite on the anniversary of the tragedy and find themselves at the old pizza place, which has been locked up and abandoned for years. After they discovered a way inside, they realize that things are not as they used to be. The four adult-sized animatronic mascots that once entertained the patrons have changed. They now have a dark secret and a murderous agenda. From what this book entails, it contains a lot of deep mysteries and how the main character Charlie's life revolves around these mascots and how they came to life. It also gives us some backstory on Charlie and how her family is connected to the haunted pizzeria. The book might not be the scariest one out there, but it is a book that holds a lot of mysteries. It can be very unsettling, but it is very interesting nonetheless. Set in the year 1995, Charlie and her friends will be facing their vague pasts and will be uncovering the sinister truth behind the death of their childhood friend Michael and the other children that died within the pizzeria. And if they thought the mystery was over, the book has a continuation of sequels, with each getting more unsettling. Not all horror stories have to be scary. The scariest factor of all horror genre-themed stories are the mysteries within them. So I encourage you all to take a dive at the mysterious world of horror and let your imagination take control of your mind. Maybe it might just save you from having nightmares. Well, that's all I have to say. Make sure you check out the amazing story of Five Nights at Freddy's, The Silver Eyes, and its great sequels. I can assure you that the story behind its covers are very mysterious and unsettling at the same time. Thank you all for watching, and make sure to like and click the subscribe button below. And with that being said,